God, he's gonna record. He is gonna oh my God. Get this shit out of my face.
Hey man, get up. Your ass is tripping.
You tripping.
He's looking so tripping. Your ass falling all over the room.
Like a baboon. Oh my God. Now I have to get the flames out on her. Alright, Tree. Stop.
Stop what?
Stop recording me.
Why?
Because she on the floor again.
Doing
She
what?
always get high and she stand up and then she get on the floor. I'm not on the floor. Nah, you pushed me last time.
Why you on the floor this time?
I'm not because she always end up on the floor. Don't
Because I can't be on the floor.
Don't shoot me.
Because it's safe on the floor.
She said you can't fall from the floor.
Yeah, you can't fall from the floor. That's the same spot.
Yeah, when we gonna smoke this?
We gonna smoke it. You mean it?
No.
My nose hurts so bad. I just have to blow
Why
my
your nose hurting shit?
I
What's
just
up
have
in
to
that
blow my nose with a paper towel because we ain't got no tissue.
And you know she heavy-handed. She was probably scraping her. She was cutting your nose up.
Hey, dance, Destiny. Dance.
No.
Go ahead and dance, man.
No. Stop.
Dance, man.
Look at her ghetto self. Look at her. She is so ghetto. Oh my God.
Man, tell me what you doing. Dance, man.
No. Look at her. She is so ghetto.
Dance and shit.
Look at her.
You need to shut up. You got me fucked up. Why you want me to dance?
Dance.
So I can look stupid?
Like a damn fool.
No.
Yeah.
I ain't finna look stupid.
Why not? What's wrong with your eye? Your eye burn?
I ain't finna look stupid. Go.
Your ass is sick. Get up, man. Get up off the floor, man. Get up, man. It's going on Facebook.
No. No. Don't do that. Keep it. Keep it. Stop.
Yeah, that's the end of that shit right there.